Duramax is back on the lift today, and this time, the whole freaking engine's gone. We have it on the stand over here, and the reason we have the Duramax engine out is because it's getting new heads because one of these we think is cracked. It was leaking coolant from the injector sleeve. It was coming all out from here.
Look inside that one.
But I thought it would be fun to show you guys the heads coming off the Duramax and the big engine on the stand. This is a big beast.
402.
Got the turbo over here. Some cool stuff going on.
Get all this. This is even good. So, oh, it's a cool fridge.
Cody pulled off the whole rocker assembly and the push rod's out from this side already. So the head's pretty much ready to come off. He's pulling all the big head bolts out.
I hate these things.
It's standard. You want to get a catch pan, coolant going everywhere.
Oh, yeah, the head's about to come off, dude. Yeah, the head's about to come off.
Oh, yeah, you throw the pizza box in there.
Oh yeah. Sick.
That works.
Oh, juicy.
Oh, no.
Gosh, yeah.
Grill. Oh, gonna need some speedy dry.
Yeah.
No one's really rushing to get a bucket, I see. Justin's
Justin, go get something.
Justin's just
Where the
standing there looking at it. As it just flows down the shop.
Dude, everything's
We're all standing here.
not care.
This is totally not a wet bag.
And you're sucking coolant with it.
Yeah, I got on when they were flushed.
Yeah, we get it somehow.
We'll put some speedy dry in it.
Oh yeah.
Is it tight? Doesn't wiggle?
Oh, yeah, it's big.
Yeah. She's firm.
The parts table. It's good that you labeled everything though.
They say it's something.
Look at Cody
Yeah, definitely.
labeling stuff.
That's
over
my
here.
girlfriend's handwriting. Hey, mine. That's
Oh,
way
oh,
too
she labeled it all?
Not all of it, some of it.
Is this new downpipe?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's the old one. Oh boy. I didn't notice how messed up the old one was.
That thing's pretty.
Just part it.
We really messed up this one.
Yeah, we failed.
Oh wow. Nice.
This is a little bit nicer, huh?
It's actually the same one, I
Pretty
think.
big. Well, it's just clean, brand new.
Yeah.
That thing's probably been there for a while.
So that thing's been, so that's the same downpipe, just in the elements for a few years.
Yeah.
Damn.
This is the new parts section.
Oh yeah.
Look at these beasts. Oh yeah, ARP's the way to go. This is sweet. These are nice. Oh yeah.
$550 later.
Just for the studs. That's crazy.
Yeah.
ARP stud kit. Geez.
With all the gaskies for the top end and everything, it was like $1,000.
Duramax life is expensive, huh? Jesus. And this is all the gaskets and everything for it?
Yep. Everything to do the job. All the gaskets.
Oh yeah, dude, that's a lot
Yeah.
of stuff.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Expensive.
Just throw the motor away. Take my ratchet.
Huh?
Take my ratchet.
Dude, I can't hear your guitar ride.
Fucking kid. I love you, Justin. But sometimes I swear to God.
I can't hear.
Oh yeah. Alright, well, get the last two bolts here. And yes, they are already loose, so it wasn't just that was, you know. That would be weird. Here you go.
All 18.
Oh. Jeez! Mary and Joseph! My grandmother says. J-boy. Just in case. Yeah, and of course it doesn't smoke coolant.
Oh yeah, this came off that side. Gravity.
You got the two heads in my beer.
Just cleaned up the injector hole to see if we can see any type of hole in there. Because when the whole truck was assembled and running, there was legitimately coolant coming from around the injector and just draining out. It was the weirdest thing.
Let me show you the injector, because...
So here's the injector, and it is so greasy from all the stop
Even that
leak.
seal's blown out and everything.
Just so greasy from all the coolant and stop leak, and Cody dumped like 10 barrels of stop leak in the truck.
That's it.
And it all coming out. So it was definitely leaking coolant and coming up from the injector hole.
Hey, that's the only thing. And the head gasket's not touched. Not that that could even happen through there, so
It had to be. It's a crack in there.
whatever, it's getting new heads anyway, so.
Looks like we're calling it a night on the Duramax because it's become more of a kumbaya circle around the engine than anything. But if there's anything that you want to see on the Duramax, any questions you have about new parts going in, about the truck in general, feel free to ask. We will answer all your questions for you because obviously we have it torn down really far. So, as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed. And we will see you in the next one. Peace!